are off to IKEA today. It is a Saturday, so I am envisioning that it's going to be packed. We have been to IKEA once before in China. We had it as part of my job induction. So we went along then and we didn't get half the stuff we needed, so we're going to head back today. So we'll see how it goes, shall we? Managed to make it to IKEA, managed to cross the busy road that's next to it. One thing about China is that it is ridiculously difficult to cross roads. There are no crossings, well, there's no crossings that they actually abide by. So, fun times. So we've made it here to IKEA. From our apartment we have to get a metro, which is the subway underground type thing in Tianjin. We use the Metro China app, which is really helpful. It tells you exactly where to go and where to change over. I think it cost about 4 RMB and it took about 34 minutes to get here today, so it wasn't too bad.
Just an ordinary day, I was making my way. Who would have known I spent my last nickel on the super mega winning ticket? I was feeling kinda wicked when I heard my boss through the crowd, but I just smiled. What you gonna do with all that cash? I'm gonna stay out in an all-nighter bash. I'm gonna buy myself a nice suit and tie, and then I give my boss the finger in my private jet flyby.
All people start to ask me like,
What you gonna do with all that green? I'm gonna feed my monkeys with it. They all hang out by the pool next to my backyard roller coaster, with my face on a giant poster. Tonight we're having oysters with the Kobe steak in the toaster. Waiting to feed my lions and shit. You better deal with it. Wait here, I'm about to pick up Scarlet J and then
Okay, so after about a 20-minute wait in the busiest IKEA cafe in the world, I've finally got some food. Got some traditional Swedish meatballs with mash and cranberry sauce. Now, I haven't been to IKEA in England for some time, I think probably about 3 or 4 years ago. I don't remember cranberry sauce being on the menu. Please correct me in the comments below if I'm wrong, but that's unusual. And a bit of herbs to add onto the mix. We've also got a chicken leg that looks interesting. Thought it would be quite nice. It's one of the only things I kind of recognise on the plates. And I think this is a mousse. I want to say this is a chocolate mousse. It looks interesting, so I thought I'd try it. What you can get here, I haven't been to IKEA in the UK for a while. The last time I went there you couldn't get alcohol, but here you can get lager. So Callum has got himself a beer and I got myself a strawberry smoothie. But what I will say is it's really busy here, it's really popular. Everyone comes to IKEA in China because of the food. It's meant to be some of the best Western food around. What I will say, I don't know if it's the best food, but it's definitely probably one of the cheapest Western food. All of this came to 68 RMB. Yeah, it's pretty cheap. Whenever we've had food, other kind of Western food around China, it's been a lot more than that. So we'll see how it goes.
you better deal with it. Wait here, I'm about to pick up Scarlet J and then that Elite P. What you gonna do with all that cash? I'm gonna stay out in an all-nighter bash. I'm gonna buy myself a nice suit and tie, and then I give my boss the finger in my private jet flyby. What you gonna do with all that green? I'm gonna feed my monkeys with it. They all hang out by the pool next to my backyard roller coaster, with my face on a giant poster. Tonight we're having oyster with the Kobe steak in the toaster. Waiting to feed my lions and shit. You better deal with it. Wait here, I'm about to pick up Scarlet J and then that Elite P.
We've decided today that IKEA is like a really bad, not so fun game of Tetris.
What you gonna do with all that cash? I'm gonna stay out in an all-nighter bash.
our day in IKEA. We have got a few things being delivered in a few days' time. And remember, if you like this video, please make sure you remember to like, comment and subscribe. See you next time.
What you gonna do with all that cash? I'm gonna stay out